Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see the traffic in different bus lines in the Bonjour RATP application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and select the default option, which is traffic. And here you can just write in a line or just select one here. If you scroll down a little bit, you can just select one of these and you will be able to see basically if there is any traffic. In this case there is none, because you can see travel with peace of mind because all your trip are okay. So basically you can just check the traffic with every line here, and you can see that in this case there is a planned service changes, and you can see clearly the interval basically when it's going to happen and what is going to happen. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.